Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and here tap on screen time, and once you are on screen time, select content and privacy restrictions, and there will be content and privacy restriction enable or disable option right here at the very top. To disable restricted mode on your iPhone, just turn off that option. Also keep remember that you may need screen time passcode. If you know that, just enter it right there. I don't have one. If your passcode was set up and you don't know it, the only way for you to turn off restricted mode on your iPhone is factory reset your device. I hope it helps you guys, so before you go, please like and subscribe.